you know, we got it. What's up, guys? Dave here, back again with another episode of Tech Unraveled. And today we got new stuff in the studio. I have the Mifo 09's true wireless earbuds. So you know what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna get this box popped, explore all of its contents. We're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, a latency test. We're doing all the tests. So grab your popcorn, sit back, get excited, and let's go. All right, guys, let's get this box popped right open. Come on. There we go. Quick guide. We don't need any of that. More quick guide. We'll make do. Or we got the case. Case is nice, has a nice texture on the outside. Guys, this makes me so happy. USB Type-C, plus it has wireless charging. That's pretty nice. How does this open? Maybe I should have looked at the quick start guide. Anyways, there's a little arrow here. Should have saw that. Check these superstars out. Does not pass the lid test. Lid falls right down. Let's see what else we got in the box here. Oh, I like this. Again, this is a USB A to C cable, but it's a flat cable. And as you can see, lime green. This is cool. I like that. A little pop. What else we got? Earbud tips. We got a little strap for the case. We got a little operations guide. This is your strap. All right, so that's what we got in the box. Let's take this stuff, put it to the side. So let's check these guys out here. I like the style of these earbuds. They look pretty cool. Pretty cool looking, guys. Nice and shiny. Did I got the right one in the right ear? I don't think so. Let's try it. Oh, that was the left ear. It says, check this out. Yeah, there's a little L right there. This one has an R right there. That's how they fit. How do they look? All right, let's see if we can get them paired up now. Is there a pairing button? No. On the inside, no. So let's open the Bluetooth settings here and see if we can get them paired up. The light's blinking on the earbuds now. There we go. Now there is definitely a nice seal in my ears. I just heard it say connected, so I know I'm good to go. What I'm gonna do first, guys, is I'm gonna take a listen, tell you how they sound, and then I'm gonna pop them in Ted over here and let you guys have a listen. You ready, Ted? All right, so Ted's having an issue with the left ear. Let's see if we can figure out which earbud is going to fit Ted the best. I say we go smaller. Come here, Ted. Dang, that was pretty good. Let's go ahead and swap out the right ear too. Ted is ready for action, guys. So this is the point where you're gonna put your headphones on. Get them right now. I'm gonna pause. Unpause. All right, here we go, guys. Here we go, here we go. Highs are really nice. Here comes that bass. Not bad, not bad. Okay. Let me tell you what I think. First, these are 79 bucks on Amazon. They're right at the top of the budget spectrum, right at the bottom of the mid-range earbuds. So there's kind of like that crossover. Where do they fall? Are they budget? Are they mid-range? I'm gonna say mid-range. The highs are super crisp. I didn't hear a lot of mids, but the bass was hitting really hard. I enjoyed the bass. It wasn't rattling. It almost reminded me of the Jabra 85Ts. It's very tight, it feels strong. I liked it. It was clean, solid bass, but I didn't feel or hear really any mids at all. And the highs, like I said, were really great. I enjoyed the sound spectrum. Wish there were some mids. That would have definitely made it a little nicer, but 79 bucks. Definitely not bad. So, what'd you think? Let me know down in the comments. How'd you like them? Do you think they are worthy enough to be in your pockets? Well, audio is half the battle, right? Let's check out the mic now. Mic test time. All right, guys, this is the sound of my voice with the Mifo 09 True Wireless Earbuds. Let's go ahead and introduce the ambient noise into the background. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Mifo 09 True Wireless Earbuds with ambient noise running in the background. All right, guys, so hopefully the mic withstood the test, the audio withstood the test, and these are a total package. Wait, there's one more thing. It's latency test time. So here is the latency test with the Mifo 09 True Wireless earphones. Here we go. Alright guys, so there you have it. We did an audio test, a mic test, a latency test. We did all the tests. Are these worthy to be in your pocket? Let me know down in the comments below what you think. That's what I got for you today, guys. If you like this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one, and so will Ted. Bruh!